Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix GTA 5 script hook V critical error. So it's a very simple fix. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so for this video I'm going to use GTA 5 in Steam. Okay, but I'll also show you the Epic Games version. So what you're going to do is you're going to open Steam right here. I don't have GTA 5 here on Steam, so I'm just going to use a game just as an example. Okay, just mimic this as GTA 5. Okay, so you're going to right click here on GTA 5 and go into manage. Okay, then from manage you're going to go into browse local files. Okay, then it should open the directory of GTA 5. Okay, so once you're in here, you're going to go into the link in the description where I've provided these 3 files. Okay, so these 3 files is according to your version. So basically, if you're using Steam, then download the Steam. If you're using Epic Games, download the Epic Games. If you're using GTA 5 Enhanced, you download the Enhanced version. So I'm using Steam. I'm going to double click on the Steam version. Okay, and then you're going to extract all of this. Okay, just extract it and drop it in here. Okay, so you're just going to highlight all this, drag and drop, and it'll say, do you want to replace? Just replace the version. Okay, so once you replace it, you can go ahead and start your GTA 5 game. It should work, and yeah, you shouldn't have any issues. Okay guys, so for the Epic's game version, it's very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to find your GTA 5. I'm going to use Fortnite here. Okay, so just make sure it's GTA 5. Click on the 3 dots, go into manage, and then in under installation, click on this. Okay, open install location. Okay, then here you're just going to download the Epic Games version. Close this. You're going to highlight this tree and just drag and drop. And if it prompts the do you want to replace, click on yes, please replace the files. Okay, and then you can close this, and then in Epic Games, make sure if you have this auto update, make sure you turn it off. Okay, for GTA 5, and then you can close it and run the game, and it should work fine. So that's all for this video guys, and yeah, thanks for watching folks.